Well, of course, once you get the answer from ChatGPT, you can also just kind of copy this list and paste in a table and make this table part of the data tables in this Power BI desktop file. Okay, so I'm gonna skip those steps. I'm gonna show you another thing here, the advanced editor here again. So we already have this prompt question set up as a parameter. Okay, and we're asking about the major events for Tesla. Okay, for example, you want to also ask major events for other firms like Apple, Costco, or ExxonMobil, things like that. Okay, how can you easily change the stock about which you want to ask questions? Okay, that's of course can be set up as a parameter as well. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to actually separate this prompt question into two parts. One is talking about the major events, okay? The other is talking about which stock we try to get data, all right? So we're going to have this two parameters set up here. So the first is this prompt question. That's going to be connected with another parameter called stock symbol, all right? You will see how this can actually, being implemented just in a minute. So let me again click done, and there's going to be error because the stock symbol parameter is not set up yet. So let's set up this stock symbol parameter. So match parameter, new parameter, stock symbol, and again it's going to be a text. We're going to use Tesla for this current value of this stock symbol. All right. For this prompt question, okay, because Tesla is already captured by that stock symbol parameter, we do not want it to appear in this question anymore. Okay, so the question will be simply list the major events in 2019 to 2020 for, okay, so this is the question. Okay, remember the prompt question is followed by that stock symbol in that M code. So think about it. So I'm asking basically list the major events in 2019 to 2020 for, that's going to be followed by this parameter Tesla. So basically I'm asking ChatGPT to list the major events in 2019 to 2020 for Tesla. Okay, if I change this to ExxonMobil, then these two parameters, when you connect them together, right, you're basically asking ChatGPT to list the major events in 2019 to 2020 for ExxonMobil. All right, so by basically kind of split one question into two parts. One is kind of the main body of the question, the other is the stock the question is about. Okay, then we can just have asking the same question for different stocks. Okay, so let's see how it works. Let's go to query. So here are some general events that happened to ExxonMobil based on historical data. Okay, from 19 to 20. That's pretty good, right? So that's how you how you kind of leverage the power of both Power BI and ChatGPT to kind of speed up your data retrieving process